Hey there, it's a new year, hopefully a new you, but honestly it's the same old real estate market as 2018. Jeb Smith here, residential real estate broker with Coldwell Banker here in Huntington Beach. Back 2019, it's January 8th, just to talk a little bit about the market, what's going on, what we're seeing out there, predictions going forward. Trying to keep the videos short, but at the same time just to give you enough information to be able to make a decision if you're in the home buying, home selling process. And you'll notice a sign behind me. I'm at a buddy's office here locally in Huntington filming this video as we just had a quick meeting. But if you're in the process to buy a home, findmywayhome.com. If you're looking for lending, it's a great place to just check out information on the process, even if you're working with somebody else. Good place to go to get information. So I'm going to plug that real quick and leave that there. But anyhow, we started the year off. We're seeing more inventory come to the market. So let me back up a second. We ended 2018 with buyer demand down, inventory essentially at the highest levels we've seen since 2010 probably. I mean, almost close to 10 years. So the highest inventory levels we've seen since 8-10 years ago. And buyer demand down, rates were up. We've started the new year off. Inventory is still trickling up, so we've started the year at the highest inventory levels that we've seen in Southern California since like 2013, I believe. So we started the market off with a lot of available property to choose from, and buyer demand started slow. That's starting to pick up, and interest rates have fortunately come down quite a bit. In fact, the Fed met, I believe, last week and mentioned that they, their foresight on the market this year has changed a little bit, and that they're probably not going to increase at the levels that they had initially anticipated of increasing. With that, the market came back, and fortunately, interest rates came lower. So, giving buyers another opportunity to get into the market with low interest rates while home prices have more or less stabilized. And I say stabilized because they haven't really dropped in the sense that the market has dropped 5% or 10% or anything like that. What's happened more so than anything else is prices are adjusting to fair market value. So a lot of the prices that we're seeing price reductions on are because they were overpriced to begin with, and now they're starting to come back in line with market expectations or what they should sell for, closer to what other properties have sold for in the neighborhood, etc. So with that, we're getting more and more property coming to the market every day. A lot of properties that have expired are now coming back. A lot of those properties that were on hold towards the end of the year are coming back into the market. So inventory levels are really starting to pick up. Buyers are starting to pick up. Open houses are busy on the weekend. There's a lot of people calling. There's a lot of action. So things are starting to move in the right direction. This is normal, but honestly, this time of year, it doesn't normally happen this early in the year. It usually happens after the Super Bowl, sometime mid-February. This year, I think it's happening a little bit earlier. You got a lot of people out there anxious, a lot of people looking to get in the market while rates are back down, rates are low. So yeah, the market is moving full steam ahead. We expect more inventory to continue to come to the market, so inventory levels are going to build. It is still a seller's market in the sense that average days on the market, I think locally are somewhere in the 80 to 90 days on market, which is a lot higher than where it was, 6 months ago. But at the same time, it's still a seller's market. It's not a buyer's market yet. So if you're looking to purchase a property, just, have the expectation that you're going to pay fair market value. If you're looking to sell a property, same thing. You should look at what properties have sold for and base your, your sales price based on that information. Trying to shoot for the moon in this market is going to be tough. So, and trying to achieve that price in a market like this is going to be tough. But anyhow, if you're looking to buy or sell a property, have questions about the market, anything really, would love the opportunity to speak to you, would love the opportunity to help. You can always reach me directly by going to my website, jebsmith.net, calling me on my cell phone, 714-376-2711, follow me on social media, whatever it is, would love the opportunity to help. Feel free to reach out to me, and have a great new year, prosperous new year, and we'll talk soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.